Hello and welcome back to the channel. This week has brought us some groundbreaking updates in AI technology. Let's dive right in and explore the latest features, tools, and innovations that are shaping the future of AI. First up, Microsoft. The tech giant has been expanding its Copilot vision. Previously limited to web browsing, Microsoft is now bringing Copilot vision to mobile and Windows platforms. With this move, users will have access to real-time assistance for a variety of tasks. Whether it's helping you identify a plant or giving you tips for home decorating, Copilot Vision makes AI more accessible and integrated into your daily life. And on Windows, Copilot Vision is set to assist in applications like Adobe Photoshop, guiding users through design tasks and enhancing the creative process. This is a huge step forward, blending productivity tools with real-time AI assistance. The feature will initially be available to Windows insiders, so expect more updates as it gets rolled out. Next, Samsung's One UI 7 update is here, and it's bringing a host of AI-powered features to your Samsung devices. For users of older flagship phones, this update includes new tools for customization and smarter device management. Samsung has overhauled its home screen, making it more intuitive and user-friendly. But the real star of the update is the Audio Eraser tool. This new feature allows you to remove unwanted background noise from videos, perfect for recording content on the go or cleaning up old clips. One UI 7 also introduces AI-driven tools like AI Select, which lets you generate GIFs from videos, and Writing Assist, which summarizes and formats your text automatically. With these new features, Samsung is putting AI to work in every corner of your phone, making it a more personalized experience. Moving on to Google, the company has just announced the launch of Gemini 2.5 Pro, an updated version of its flagship AI model. Google has improved the reasoning abilities of Gemini, making it even better at handling complex queries. This means that users can expect more accurate and intuitive responses when interacting with the AI. Whether you're using it for research, creative tasks, or even technical problem-solving, Gemini 2.5 Pro is designed to make AI feel more natural and responsive. With this update, Google continues to push the boundaries of what generative AI can do. Now let's talk about Sentient, a company that's making big waves in the AI edge computing space. At the upcoming ISC West 2025 conference, Sentient will showcase its latest technology, a multimodal vision transformer designed specifically for edge security. This AI system is capable of processing visual data directly on edge devices, which means faster, more efficient analysis without relying on cloud computing. With real-time video processing, this technology is poised to enhance security applications across various industries, from surveillance to retail and beyond. The Vision Transformer represents the next step in making AI smarter and more efficient, all while reducing latency and improving security in real time. Finally, let's look at SolarWinds, a company known for its IT management and observability platforms. This week, SolarWinds introduced AI-enhanced observability and incident response capabilities in their latest platform update. The integration of AI means that businesses can now rely on smarter systems that not only monitor their IT infrastructure, but predict and prevent issues before they happen. SolarWinds is also adding AI-driven tools to its service management product, which will help IT teams respond to incidents faster and more efficiently. With AI taking on more of the predictive work, businesses can stay ahead of potential problems and maintain smoother operations. So, there you have it. This week's updates show just how quickly AI is evolving, touching everything from productivity tools to security solutions. Microsoft, Samsung, Google, Sentient, and SolarWinds are all pushing the envelope, making AI more integrated and accessible than ever before. Whether you're a creative professional, a tech enthusiast, or someone looking to streamline your workflow, there's no doubt that AI is making a big impact. Which of these updates are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates on AI and tech trends. Until next time, stay curious.